Even as India and China held fruitful bilateral talks in the national capital earlier today, India's Tibetan population took to the streets seeking Prime Minister Narendra Modi's intervention in the ongoing China-Tibet issue, demanding that Prime Minister Modi raise the issue in the talks with Chinese President Xi. But the protests turned violent in some places.
Are Tibetans being taken away by the Delhi police, being roughed up by the Delhi police? You can see outside Hyderabad House, specific demand that the issue of Tibet should be raised by the Indian government.
While Prime Minister Narendra Modi talked tough with the Chinese Premier inside the Hyderabad House, Tibetan women activists staged dramatic protests outside.
The key demand: the Prime Minister should raise the issue of Tibet with a visiting Chinese dignitary, and of course registering a protest. Why isn't Tibet liberated from China yet?
Tibetan problem also India's problem. So you see, sooner or later, you have to solve these problems, not by force, but by understanding. And talk. Understanding comes through talk.
Many of them in the national capital, like I said, in the Majnu Katila area of the national capital, were also protesting.
Long live! Long live! Stop killing!
As you can see, these people are out. They all belong to the Tibetan monastery area, and they all reside in the Majnu Katila area, which is primarily the Tibetan settlement here in Delhi, and they have been protesting over here. Now, there has been a sporadic protest since yesterday, where even a few Tibetan activists were detained.
तिब्बत को इंडिपेंडेंट करना चाहिए, और ये प्रधानमंत्री अभी अपना क्या नाम है, ये बॉर्डर के लिए बात करना चाहिए चाइना से।
हम तो ये चाहते हैं कि भारत सरकार जब भी उनसे मिले, कुछ न कुछ हमारे तिब्बत के बारे में बात हो, जैसे कि मानवाधिकार हो, तिब्बत में जैसे अत्याचार हो रहा है, निर्दोष कैदियों को जहां डालते जा रहे हैं उनको रिहा करो।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi has impressed many with his tough talk with the Chinese president on the border tension. But with the chorus of the Tibetan community becoming louder, will India also raise the issue of Tibet's autonomy? Bureau Report, Times Now.